guys, my breaded baked chicken wings with barbecue sauce. Enjoy! Welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you some breaded baked chicken wings with barbecue sauce. So guys, I have my chicken wings. It's from the Best Dressed Chicken line. This is it. So I'm gonna prepare this meal for you today. Alright, so it's already breaded, so I'm gonna add some extra seasoning and then put in the oven and make a barbecue sauce with it. Okay, have some Maggi seasoning, I have some garlic seasoning and some basil. So I'm gonna get started now. Okay, I'm gonna let this marinate for a little before adding them to the oven. I'm gonna prepare the oven, so I'm gonna cover this and let it marinate. Okay guys, so here we go. So I'm gonna add the seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna add some of the Maggi seasoning also. I'm just going to just rub them on. I'm gonna bake it, so I don't need any other seasoning. I don't need any scallion or onion at this time. So I'm already breaded, so I'm gonna just get the oven ready to bake my wings. Okay, I'm adding the wings to the oven, so in the next half an hour or so I will be checking it. Okay, after 15 minutes I'm checking on my wings. Looking gorgeous already. Turn these on the other side. So I'm gonna put them back in. Don't they are looking lovely? Yes, yummy. All done guys, all done. I'm gonna be making the barbecue sauce for it now. Isn't it lovely? Yes, it is. I'm gonna be making the sauce now, the barbecue sauce. So I have 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. Roughly 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of sugar, guys. Mix this. So it's some tomato ketchup, barbecue sauce, some sugar and some vinegar. All right, I'm gonna mix this. Guys, this tastes so good. Tastes nice. So I'm just gonna allow it to get thicker, and then there you're gonna have it. My barbecue sauce. As simple as that. And there you have it, guys. My breaded baked chicken wings with barbecue sauce. Enjoy. Taste my wings. Delicious. Nice, guys. I can't stop eating. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to leave the comments, share it with your family. Okay guys, subscribe until you're feeling this. Looking so lovely and yummy. That's what left of it. Enjoy, guys. Breaded baked chicken wings.